Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want a professional touch in every order, you can always add this. Packing steps can be printed directly from the Etsy platform, easier, basically as you think. You're gonna ask me how would I do so, how would I go through all of this? It's basically Shop Manager again and again. It's always Shop Manager when it comes to Etsy. So you can access this from the app, from the website. But for me, the website works best. It's basically easier. It has like the full screen. So let's go to Etsy.com. Just make sure you are fully logged in. You are basically also using the correct account. Then go to Shop Manager here. Look for orders and shipping. Then select the order. Click on more actions. Then choose print packing step. Download the PDF. Then print and include it in your package. As for like a bonus tips, you can customize the shop message and thank you note if you need. Then it's great for branding and repeat customers. It's helpful for multi-item orders as well. So if you ever need so, just go through the shop manager again. Shop manager is basically the heart of the Etsy platform. Whenever you need something that you have to do with your profile or with your shop, go through Shop Manager, access the settings from there. If it's basically a shipping setting, you can go through orders and shipping. If it's something related to finances or for money, you can go through the payments. You can basically find anything you want there. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.